Hi, I'm Dr. Dimitrios Kostopoulos, co-founder of Hands-On Diagnostics. I know that many of you have kept track of our company that was developed 5 years ago and has helped over 165 professionals around the country in 26 different states now develop diagnostic testing within their facilities and around their communities, and really expand their practices, achieve fantastic patient outcomes, and exponentially increase their reimbursements 5 to 10 times than what they were receiving from straight physical therapy services. But the purpose of this video presentation is to share with you some very exciting news and to invite you to an event that I'm putting together specifically for professionals like you who are really at the forefront of evolution of physical therapy and who want to produce even greater change in their practices and in their communities. So the great news that I would like to share with you is that we have developed a very specific roadmap where we will show you how you can implement specific things in your practices to confront the changes and evolution that is taking place in the year 2020 and beyond. You know that there are various issues that we have ahead of us: Medicare issues, insurance reimbursement issues, policy issues, and so on and so forth. And the practices that will really not just survive but thrive in the year 2020 and beyond are those practices that really will be implementing very specific things, not then, but now, because you want to stay ahead of the competition. So I have developed 7 specific things, 7 specific facts that I want to share with you that will really revolutionize your practice. And of course, some of this will have to do with diagnostic testing, but there will be additional things that I'll be sharing with you that can be breakthroughs for your physical therapy practice of tomorrow. So this video is an invitation for all of you to join me in one of the events that I'm putting together around the country. There is a link in the video where you can identify the event that you can join me. Myself and my business partner, Dr. Kostopoulos, will be there to spend some personal time, one-to-one time with you, to not only share with you our ideas and the 7 facts that really can revolutionize your practice for 2020 and beyond, but also we will have some live demonstrations and practical applications. You will walk away from this 3-hour event with a specific roadmap on how you can implement these 7 different things in your practice that can really open up the road not only of survival, but the road to total expansion and the attainment of a condition of affluence in your practice. So I'd love to see you in one of these events. Click right there and just register for one of these free events, and we're going to have some drinks and also some light food. So I hope to see you there. Take care.